In this video, I will show how to add chatgpt in PowerPoint. So open PowerPoint and click on add-ins and more add-ins. Search here GPT. So here you will see a list of extension and add-ins. You can try anyone and give your feedback via comment section. Like this one, select it and add and continue. Click on ChatGPT PowerPoint. Here type your presentation topic. Here enter the number of slides, then create. So as we can see, we have now this amazing slides with help of this GPT. Now we can change and modify these slides as your requirement. So thanks for watching. Comment in this video useful for you.